How to use Follow the Sun. Bring the outdoors inside and automate your light to gradually shift color throughout the day. By mimicking natural sunlight, Cree lighting connected max bulbs can improve your mood, well-being, and productivity. To turn on Follow the Sun, tap the individual bulb or group you want to enable. Tap Routines in the bottom toolbar. Then tap Follow the Sun. Toggle the switch in the upper right corner to activate. The round slider in the middle of the page shows the preset schedule of lights during Follow the Sun. This example shows warm light starting at 6:30 a.m., gradually brightening in the morning to cooler, more sun-like and brighter light at midday, then starting to dim and get warmer into the evening, eventually turning into night light for bedtime at 11:30 p.m. Transitions are slow and smooth, just like the sun throughout the day. Tap to choose which days of the week you want your lights to follow the sun. To adjust the times of an action, tap, hold, and drag the appropriate icons around the circle. Or you can swipe up from the bottom and display the preset schedule for the times and actions throughout the day. To edit an action, tap on the name of the action. From here, you can edit the name of the action, adjust the time it begins, the color temperature and brightness of the light at that time, and which icon represent this action in the circle. To delete an action, tap Delete and then tap OK. To add a new action, swipe up from the bottom to display the preset schedule for the times and actions throughout the day. At the bottom, tap the plus Add New button. Then enter the name of the action, what time it begins, the color temperature and brightness of the light at that time, and which icon represents this action in the circle. When done, tap Save in the upper right-hand corner, and your lights will follow the sun throughout the day.